What's up people, welcome to Throttling Frames. This is your host Mayur and I have received something in my mail this morning. Ta-da! I don't know whether you can read this or not, it's too bright to read. But anyway, so I was looking for some good Bluetooth earphones for a couple of days. So talking about these earphones, I found one and I'm just going to unbox that now. So let's do it. These are the earphones, that's the knife. I would like to do the review of this knife also someday, maybe, probably. This is the Leatherman Surge. My wife gifts me knives. Pretty interesting, isn't it? Nice. Anyway, so Leatherman and the package. Let's just do this trick. Ooh, perfect. Just one simple swipe and the package is open. Very sharp, very sharp. Anyway, so here, out of this box is the JBL's, what do we call this? Pure Bass Zero cables. No, that's not what we call it. Yeah, we call it Tune 205BT. That's the box, and let's just tear it open. Yeah. So it simply reads, what does it read? It reads Pure Bass Zero cables. 6 hours of battery life is what they have mentioned over here on the box. Made by JBL amazing makers. It's one, if you just quickly go and ask your Google Assistant the top 10 audio device manufacturer, top 10 speakers manufacturers in the world, you would get JBL on number 5th or number 6th. So yes, they are that good. So they are definitely good. Let me just put this aside. Yeah, on the rear side of it, you can see the price sticker over here. Of course, I'm not very sure whether you can read this or not, but the price sticker that reads the MRP is 2,999, which is not true. I bought this for 1,800 on Amazon. The sale's going on. The sale's still on. You can quickly go and buy these if you want them. I bought this in rose gold color, which is really nice. It's not actually my type. I usually buy all black things, but I don't know why. I felt like buying this in rose gold. Anyway. So yeah, it says Tune 205BT, wireless, pure bass sound, hands-free calls, and then what does it say? It says Sanfil, son pure bass, appelles mains liberis. I'm sure that is some other language. Anyway, so yeah, the features are being given on the the rear side of the box. And there's a slight window over here which is very smartly covered with a sticker. So we are left with no other option. We have to open this box, and that's what we are here for. We are here for unboxing. Let me open this knife once again. Very sharp. Alright, let me quickly unbox this. So the sticker is gone. I can easily remove the content which is there in the box. Right. The box is open and here comes out. Right. This is what you get in the box. Some literature. Do we get any stickers or what? Let me just open it. Let me see what I can do. Nope, no stickers, just multilingual. What is this? Nothing. Ooh, that's in Chinese, Mandarin, Japanese. I don't know what that is. Must be something important for them, not for me. Anyway, what's important for me over here is the JBL's earphones itself. Right, what do we have in the box? We have a nice good orange charging cable, which is USB to micro USB, and the length is pretty impressive. What is this? 6 inches, 7 inches. Anyway, that's, I guess this should suffice. I'm not very sure about that, but this should suffice. So this is what you get in the box. This is the charging cable for the earphones, and the earphones itself, they look gorgeous. They look gorgeous. Right? Let's see what's here. That's nothing. Right, so let me just take these guys out of the box now. How do I do that? Right, perfect. Good. Okay. Nice. Oh, nice. So yeah, that's the unboxing. The unboxing is done. These are the earphones. Now let's just head over to some close-up shots, because I'm pretty sure my current lens has not done any justice to whatever you've seen. It was just focusing my face, which was really important according to my lens. Anyway, so guys, this is what you get inside the box. Yes, that's it. So let me just quickly do some close-up shots and in this video. So now let me do a quick overview of the product of the JBL's earphones that I bought. So this is how it looks like from the close range. It looks beautiful, right? Some JBL branding over here. There's a JBL logo on this one, right? And nice, good copper color. You can call it rose gold. They call it rose gold. I call it copper. That's really nice. Good finish over here. It's the first time I've bought something little shiny, apart from black. But yeah, this is how the earphones look like. And the inner part of the earphone, yeah. So it somewhat like the AirPods. It's got a nice good grill over here, this mesh net kind of structure, and probably a bass driver over here. And the inner feels nice and rubbery. It's something like rubberized plastic. So yeah, all in all, really nice feeling earphones. So yeah, you get these two what do you call it, controllers and a battery pack. So this is the controller on one side of the card, wherein you have this plus and minus signs and a button in the center that basically acts. So these plus and minus signs, yes, these are buttons too, but I don't know, they are a little hard to press, right? And yeah, on this side there's nothing, just JBL clear JBL branding, and that's just the battery pack of the earphones. Let's talk about this in detail. So this button, which will also, you know, take your calls, and it also doubles as the power button. Apart from that, let's just turn this on. Good boy. There, that's on. Let me try pairing it to my phone. So while it's in the pairing mode, it will keep blinking between blue and white. No, it's actually just blinking blue. That's it. Alright, let me pair it with my phone now. And it's paired. So once it's paired, it will have a constant blue light going on the side of this, right? And now it's paired. So yeah, that's about it. That's about the earphones. And let me show you the power charging cable of the same. Yeah, that's a nice good soft focus, right? So this is micro USB to USB. Yeah, and that's about it. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video till the end of it. Now if you've really liked this video, what I want you to do is press on that like button down there, so that you know, it makes me a little happy. Also, if you really like the content on this channel, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Right next to the subscribe button, there's going to be a bell icon. Press on that bell icon so that I don't miss a chance to keep you guys updated on the latest content that I'll keep uploading on this channel. Also, after doing all that, you can share this video and you can share this channel's link to your friends and family, so that I can have a wider audience, and with that I can make really exciting videos to, you know, keep you guys entertained. So I shall see you very soon in the next video. Until then, bye bye.